Let me guide you through how to print a digital sewing pattern at home. This tutorial will also be useful for some of our larger embroidery patterns. Make sure your printer is set to 100% scale or actual size. Once printed, use the ruler at the top to check the scale is right. Each printed page contains a tile. You can see the perimeter of the tile as a line insets slightly from the edge. The tiles are built on a coded grid system that you can find in the corner of each page. The letter represents the row, top to bottom position, and the number represents the column, left to right position. And you will find diamonds along the tile lines to assist in lining up accurately. To attach two pages together, cut or fold the excess paper along the marked tile line on one of the pages. Leave the excess paper on the other page to act as a base underneath for attaching. You can use glue or tape. I like to use eco-friendly Scotch tape as it's perfectly light, flexible and can be written on. I first attach a row of tiles together working left to right. Then when I have completed two individual rows, I connect them together top to bottom, folding or cutting the full horizontal length of one of the rows. Continue in this rhythm until the full pattern spread is complete. You can add more tape on the back of the page seams for extra reinforcement if you like. Now we have assembled the full pattern spread, you can cut out the individual paper pattern pieces ready to attach to your fabric.